I mentioned before, we have three types of formula in LaTeX. Let me show you these three different types, and then I will continue on each of these types of formula separately. First of all, suppose that you want to write some formula between your text. For example, you want to write something like this. Compute, for example, some limit, something like this. You can put $2 and then you can write your, in fact, formula here. Limit x backslash 2, 0, and for example, backslash frac 1 minus cosine of x over x squared, and write the answer. Something like this, for example. And let me try to implement it. You can get something like this. This is your, in fact, document that the compiler will generate. This kind of formula, we call this kind of formula inline formula. And also, I showed you, if you want this limit, in this limit, x goes to 0, appear exactly under the limit, you can write backslash display style, and then you can run the file, something like this, and you will get something like this. Okay, this is all about this kind of formula. Now, the other type of formula is something like this. For example, you want to write, consider the following integral, and then you want to write the formula in a new line, okay? And you want the formula, in fact, appear in the middle of line, in the center of the new line. For example, you can write something like this: int from 0 to 1 backslash frac, for example, backslash sign backslash sqrt of x, okay, minus x over 1 minus x d of x, okay, and then you run the code. In this case, the formula will appear in a new line, okay, and it appears exactly in the center of the new line. And if you want to write something more and compute, for example, something, you can see that the continuation of the text will appear in the next line, and in fact this is a new paragraph and something like this. This is a new form. Just let me correct this. Sign of x. Let me recompile it. Sign of radical x minus x. Okay, so this is the second type. Now, I should say that you can generate this type of formula by two more different ways. For example, let me rewrite everything here. If you put a $$ here and a $$ here, and then you compile it, you will generate exactly the same thing in the your document. Let me generate a new paragraph, something like this. Okay, this is exactly same. The other kind is something like this. Let me copy this one again and paste it here. Now, if you write \begin equation star and then \end equation star and you compile the code, you will get again something exactly like the previous one. So there is no difference between this one, and this one. Every of these three way of the for generating the one-line formula you can use. This is all. Now, the problem is that in some mathematical text we have some formula with a number. Okay, let me show you how you can generate a formula with number in the next lecture. Please subscribe to my channel and wait for more videos. Thank you.